Hi friends, Vanakkam. Hi friends, welcome to Nageshwari's Kitchen. Today we are going to camping to Wilson Prom. I thought to take a video when I was starting at home, but it was 10 minutes delayed. I'm taking the video in the car itself. Um, I will cover what are all the activities that we do at camp, and we are excited, so thrilled. It's a 7-day trip. So we all excited, right? Yeah. It's a 7-day trip, and I will show you each and every segment. If it is interesting, I will definitely share that. Nada.
We got a new car.
Let's get into the video. Please subscribe to Nageshwari's Kitchen and press the notification bell symbol. You will get notified whenever I post my new videos. Let's enjoy this trip. We all gathered at Sunshine Murugan Temple in the morning. So we are leaving from here to Wilson Prom. After a long time, I'm visiting Sunshine Murugan Temple. Nearly like more than 1 year after this lockdown, I'm visiting this first time. I'm really happy to come to the temple, and I met all my friends. Nearly 7 families. We are going all together to camping. More excited and thrilled, and kids were really happy. This is my new car, Pathfinder. We bought recently, black color. We packed everything in this car. This is because this is almost 8 days. Priya Shrikant family is wearing a different t-shirt, and they all wearing the same type of t-shirt. So that is, I am Shrikant. I may not be perfect, but this is, I am limited edition. Something were written in the t-shirt. She is Vijay. So Vijay and Arun family, and Jay Ganesh Kartika family, Ganesan Padma family, and Sumi Radhakrishnan family. So we all went together. So this is city view. I just wanted to show this view because of my relatives and friends who's living outside Australia. So they want to see Melbourne. So that's why I wanted to show all these views to them. So that they can see Melbourne as well. So in my future videos, I will cover Melbourne wherever I go, whatever the possibilities, I will cover and upload new videos in future, mostly my travel vlogs. My daughter was singing all the way. It was really nice to. It was really good to listen her voice. She sings so well. My son too. They both learning Carnatic music, online classes. This is my best place in the city, Turak Road. I love Turak Road because it's full of restaurants, the track lines, the tram views, and a lot of shoppings in this road. It's very small road, but still I just love this place. There are more multi cuisine restaurants are here. So if you want to explore more varieties of food, please come to this road and you can explore lots and lots of restaurants. We had a break. We just took a break at Kuvi Kuvira Park, Kids Park. So kids were playing. We all had breakfast. Priya got idlis and Pramila's brownies. I got mango laddus, and Vijay got spring rolls, and Padma and Sumi got tea, hot tea. So everybody enjoyed the break, and we all were chatting each other, and kids were playing in the park, and men's were chatting each other as well. It was a really good break. Actually, we wanted that break because to freshen up and also to take a break from driving as well. There was a war memorial hall near the park. I couldn't get a chance to get in, but if you are visiting Kuvira Park, please go to this War Memorial Hall and go through what are all the informations that you can get. It will be really interesting and informative. So, if you get a chance, don't miss the opportunity. So we missed it. So next time, if I get a chance, I will definitely go in and have a look. So that's the break that we had. So we all winded up from here and we are leaving from here to Wilson Prom. We are not going to have any more breaks. We are just heading up straight to the camping site. While going on the road, the road was so beautiful and awesome place. You can see a lot of animals. We got a chance to see this hedgehog animal as well. It's a tiny animal, but it looks so good. But I don't know, is there any complications with that animal or not? But it's good to see that. This is the first time I'm seeing this animal, and we saw the best part of this campsite is the beach and rivers all over this campsite. I love water activities. I don't know swimming, but still I love water activities. My daughter had a sleep as well. We reached finally to Wilson Prom. We reached to information center. First, you have to register your car number when you enter to the site. So they will give you the exact site number, the site allocation number once you register your car number on your name. So you can't park your car other than your allocated site area. So you will get a warnings if you misuse those things. So please be aware of these things. So register your car number and place your tent to that allocated area and park within your site. That is really important. In the information center, if you want to know about the visiting places, the timings, the facilities, everything, all each and every single information is available there. You can have a look. There are lots and lots of places to see actually. We are not going to see everything, but we have a list of places to visit as well. In our information center itself, I think you need at least 2 to 3 hours to spend. So much of informations everywhere and lot of collections they have. It was so beautiful and stunning. um, Take your time whenever you get a chance to see all these things. Please go through, and my daughter was so happy to see these type of collections. It's really awesome. My son was waiting outside and he was playing some music. He's Arnav. And me and Kartika, we just took some photo shoot there, and we finally reached our campsite. That's my campsite number. So we parked there and we just wanted to have our lunch. So we all packed some lunch from home. Each family bought some food. So we got a lot of tamarind rice, yogurt rice, lemon rice, potato fry, chips and fruits, so much of food. So we all had our lunch near the park. So there is a new guest there. So that parrot was so beautiful. I will show those parrots pictures and videos. We had so much fun with those parrots. I will show that in my part 2 video. We started to do the camping tent. So my camping tent, we bought it from Anaconda. I bought it like 3 years back in offer. So please buy tents always in discounts, because they'll give you 50%, 70% discount after these holidays. So if you are planning next year, plan but try to buy this year, so you will save a lot of money. We spent around $300 for this such a big tent. In Anaconda, you can buy all sort of outdoor activities materials. So we bought there. This is three compartment tent, and also at least 12 people can sleep easily with this tent. We bought this such a big tent because last time when we bought this tent, my dad was with us, so we wanted to give a separate room for my parents. And in future also, if my in-laws or my mom is, if my parents are coming again, so it will be useful. You don't have to buy again and again those tents. You can use these tents at least for 10 years. If you really care your tent, you can use more than that. This is my fourth year I'm using this camping tent. It takes little bit of time, and plan accordingly what you're going to do, because if you do a small mistake also, it will take more time to assemble your tent. So all my friends gathered here. He is Ganesan, our team captain, so he is the one who is arranging all these camping plans, and they are doing more than 15 years, I guess. So this is Radha Krishnan and Sumi's tent, and this is Priya Srikant's tent. I just wanted to show you all the different types of tents. That's why I'm showing this. So um, Arun he came and helped us to finish off this tent, and then Srikant, Natraj, um, Abhi, everyone came and helped us. Srikant kids, Kaushik, Varun, and Natraj family, Jai Ganesh, everyone was helping to fix our tents. You don't feel like, working alone, because everyone will come to help each other. That's a beauty when you go more friends, when you go with more friends. So try to go with your friends and family. You will enjoy more than if you go alone. Arun and Ganesan, they all going like more than 10-15 years, I think. So uh, assembling these camping tents is really easy for them. So I was asking my husband, what was your experience to fix this camping tent? He was telling that we need to plan some, and also you have to mark it up, which is front and back, all those stuff. So Priya is giving some water because her brother, that is my husband Raj, is working hard to fix this tent. So she wanted to give some water to him. She is like my family always. This is my tent is done. Then next we all doing Jai Ganesh camp tent, and then we I bought this kids table in reject shop. I bought it for I think $30 or $35. Last year during Christmas sale I bought this. It was very very cheap, and also you can see it's so easy to dismantle and assemble. So both way it is so easy, and also it's you can save this in a very small space. We also bought one tent, small tent for kids activities. Uh, because during rain time so they can't sit here, so we bought a small tent as well for them. This table is so easy to assemble. You can just have to clip some uh, things, then and it will be fixed. So four kids can sit in this one. My daughter Lahitya, Ashini, and Sushaina, so they both those three girls were enjoying here. So in the evening we all planned to go for a walk. She is Kartika. We all went for a small walk to Tidal River. It is very close to our camping site. It's only like 5 minutes walk. Range of walking opportunities are available during the day. Um, Plan carefully to ensure that you have enough daylight to complete these walks. This is really really important. So please plan your walking timings accordingly based on you're going on evening or and also daylight is more important. So this is the tidal river. I love water activities, as I said. Um, and the evening, the weather was so cold, but after seeing the water, who can stop me? So I just we just went in the water and we were just walking in the water. That's all. Um, kids were playing in the sand. They were so happy. The landscape is beautiful and walks are worth it for the view from high up. So if you're planning to walk to the mountain, please do it, and the view from there is so beautiful. I will say the best coastal side in Melbourne is this Wilson Prom. I just love it much. It is very much suitable for the moderate hiker, the easy to moderate hiker. If you're a very good hiker, you can do this as well. There are a lot of trekking places here, and we did a lot of photo shoots in this river. Aparna and Apsara, they both are cute little girls. They were giving so much of company. Always, they were with us. Kids were enjoying as well with us. These with the active water activities. We took lots of photos, and just like few seconds of walk from this tidal river, you can see such a beautiful beach. I just loved this place, and we in these 8 days we almost did 6 days walk every single day. This is the next day. We were just walking to this place again. Every single day we were there in the morning and evenings to see the difference, because this is a tidal river. The water level will be higher in the morning, and if you go in the evening, the water level is completely different level. So you can see the water is, you can see a lot of difference, and also you will be thrilled, you will be surprised. If you stay in the evening, there itself you can see the water is keep coming closer to you. If you go early in the morning, the water will be like, the level of the water level is so high and closer, and in the evening it will just go back. It's like a magic. See, the water is keep coming closer to us. This is in the evening. The weather was so good. We just enjoyed like anything. I never laughed so much in my life. We were just laughing all the time. So much of fun activities we did. We played games and we walked a lot actually in this campsite. Everywhere you can see mountains, river, beach. Some sort of walking areas is available in this site. Some people they were doing hiking as well, kayaking as well. So these kids were practicing kayaking, I think, in the morning, and some were swimming as well. But please be careful always. There are some incidents happened. I will tell you that in the end of this video. It's not so deep in the tidal river in the beginning.
அதுதான் முக்கியம். இப்போ பஜ்ஜிக்கு போட்டதெல்லாம் கணக்கு கிடையாது, எடுத்து கரெக்டா இருக்கா இல்லையான்னு சொல்றது தான் முக்கியம். பஜ்ஜி யார் செஞ்சது?
So this is my second day. We had morning. Most of the days we have our breakfast as bread and toast, um, and we prepare our lunch as well in the morning itself, so that we can plan outdoor activities the rest of the days. So we were preparing some variety rice and making bhaji, chili bhaji, and some cauliflower stir fry. And we decided to go to Squeaky Beach. Kids were having fun as well. So we cooked, and then we packed all the food. Then we planned to go to Squeaky Beach. I will show that as well. Hi friends, so this is day 2. We are planning to go to Squeaky Beach. So it's a 2.1 kilometer walk. You will see beautiful trees. It's a short trees as well. Um, so we packed all our food and snacks and clothes. So let's go to Squeaky Beach. So I loved these trees. It's like a cauliflower shape. So if you see from long side, um, the trees are all short, and the angle of the trees were so beautiful. And this is the tidal river view from the higher level. If you see from on top, so this is the view. It is so beautiful. Nature is always beautiful. I just loved this place. Mountains everywhere and colorful trees. The main thing in this campsite that you should know is, um, there is no campfire in this site because the tree heights are so small. And if you see the beach and the river distance, see that, in this view you can see the difference. So that's it's such a small distance. If you're planning to go both at the same time, please do it. It's so close distance. So Priya is fully dressed up, and this is the view that I said. The tree is so good. It's like an arch form. I just loved this point. So we took a lot of photo shoots, because everywhere you can see viewpoints everywhere, lookouts everywhere, full of water everywhere. So good. If you're planning for a photo shoot, you can come these places and take a photos. So we almost reached to Squeaky Beach. I think the Squeaky Beach is the most beautiful beach of Victoria. It has sand which produces squeaky sound when you jump your feet in it. So if you jump higher, you will get more squeaky sound. If you walk also, you can feel the sound. The 2.1 kilometer, it will take around 30 minutes to 45 minutes. It depends how fast you walk. But I will say, walk slowly, enjoy the nature beauty, and you will be relaxed like anything. So this is the Squeaky Beach. From the view is from higher point. I just wanted to show you this view. That's why we are here. We almost reached to Squeaky Beach. Yeah, we finally reached. So plan your trip. If you're planning to Squeaky Beach, plan it. If you want to get into water activities, pack all your clothes and sunscreen, lotion, and some snacks, whatever. If you want to, if you're planning, take all of them with you, and keep your kids with you all the time. Please don't go too deeper. Look at the white beautiful sand. It's so beautiful when you see this my son is fully dressed up. He wanted to get into the water, so he dressed up. So we most of them were just taking care of kids. Kids were playing, enjoying, and so this is the sound, but I couldn't cover because of this beach sound. So if you jump higher, and you can feel the squeak sound more. If you walk also, you can feel it, but if you jump more, you can hear more squeaky sound. So that's the speciality of this beach, and the water is so clear and light green color, and I just loved this place. I wanted to stay like full day there, but uh, there are some incidents happened there during this during our camping time. Two of them drowned in water. They couldn't rescue both of them, but one of them they rescued, but he didn't survive. He is great. So please take care of your safety and precautions. Don't go too close, and careful with your kids. I will continue the other activities that we did in part 2. There are so much activities that we did. Please don't miss part 2 video. I will post it in couple of days. Keep watching.
I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you think so, please thumbs up and share with your friends. Please subscribe to Nageshwari's Kitchen. I will see you in another video. Bye.